Welcome everyone, I have a new product, none other than from PicassoTiles. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I give you the PicassoTiles Racing Track Set. Now that that's off, let's open it up and see what we got inside. Alright, right off the bat, we have the Steam PicassoTiles instruction set. Let's get past that and see what the tracks are. With this right here in this little bag, this is the road sign kit. We will use this in a second. You'll notice we have slanted ramps, and right here we have the blue car along with our red car. Pulling everything out, make sure that there are no hidden pieces like down below. Not to mention our 4 bridges, which can also be used as overpasses as well. Now keep in mind that they are AA powered. Thankfully I have some on hand. Just put them in and I'm going to build my kit in just about 2 minutes. Also, your kit doesn't have to be anywhere near like mine. I'm just copying the same one on the box. Coming in at 1 minute and 45 seconds, I am completely done with my track. Now to add one more thing, my stop sign. Not too bad. There's only a small thing you need to pay attention to, which I will get into right now. So when you're building your track, always make sure that the tiles are facing up and not facing down so that the car can fit in these grooves. Otherwise, it will get caught and may slide out. With a surplus bridge, I made an overpass. Let's see how this goes. Not too bad. Pretty smooth. The coolest part is you can have both of them going, and it's actually pretty exciting. The coolest part is at night, to be honest. The track set is portable, easy, small, and very fun to play with. You can set it up almost anywhere, on the table or on the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been the review of the 30-piece track building set by PicassoTiles. I hope you guys liked the video. Check out the links in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time.